Alright ladies and gents, she's finally graduated to being work truck. She's finally reliable enough. I've got the suspension set up so I can take a little bit of weight but still look cool. And I've got a couple of other little things on it to make it just a little bit nicer. Alright, so we've got a folding tonneau cover that, look, it fits almost perfectly. Could be a half an inch longer, but I'll put a link in the description. Yeah, I got the soft fold one because I figured I don't really want to do lockable on this without doing some modifications. So I just got a soft one, but it's pretty nice. She's pretty basic, but it's got a reasonable seal and it's nice and lightweight. To secure it in the back of here, we've put some T-rails in. All of these bolts are just riv nutted into the side of the truck, so we've got an underlip and an overlip and place to put tie downs if we need them. But that was mainly so that I had something to clip the tonneau cover to. We got this great little oil resistant pad that's not overly thick, but it's enough to stop stuff from sliding around in the back. And then we've got some big heavy duty tie downs in the four corners. We've got the Paw 15 bed liner. I wouldn't recommend because it's started to peel up already, and yes, I did prep it properly. And then new chains and old push bike rubbers to protect everything. We've got the all-important reversing camera and a little floodlight. I need to put some mud flaps on it. If anyone's got mud flap ideas, chuck them in the description, that'd be fun. And then inside, if you've been watching the other videos, there's no changes in here. We're just finally ready to run down the road. And the last bit of icing on the cake is a Bilgro Play decal on the door. Let's do it. Alright, here we go. Specialty tools, the Costco membership card, some soapy water and some masking tape. And we've got the Bilgro Play logo that the missus had cut out locally. Put something under your knees so you don't have any evidence for the guys on the work site to say you've been on your knees all day.